welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Oh, Marcia came out with evidence showing, that she didn't receive any money from Maxine. So, guys, go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourself a happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy and love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my well-wishers, and subscribers, and anything that you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day. Sometimes evidence is clear. Sometimes it's better to have clear evidence of things so that you can show, what really transpired. Sometimes it's best to draw for those. Sometimes we are going to be in a position where we are going to need proof. Remember, proof is everything, and without it, then it can be a difficult time for us in court if we are ever in the court system. So evidence is very important when we are coming with a case. Now, when you do have the evidence, though, you have to know how to use that as well and how to present your evidence across the board, because it's not every lawyer or, say, jury will understand or will take to the evidence. But when you have evidence, it's best because it clears you from whatever the allegations were. So guys, remember, when going to court, you need your evidence to ensure that you're backing what you're saying. Have yourself a wonderful and beautiful day.
Tell you the truth. See the lady there? See the lady said that. See it here. Come on, Marie, go read for yourself. And you dirty people over your page where you tell lie upon me. See it right there, sir. See it right there. See it. I did not tell Maxine I gave you any money for her. I gave you £100 for Annmarie, which I heard for myself. Annmarie said on her live, you give it to her. So what is your problem and your audience problem? What is your audience problem? Why them not go sit down and have a seat? Why them over there make trouble with you? When the woman said she just sent me £100 for Annmarie. What is it them don't understand? I did not get no money for two people. Una can't read? Una dance? I want in una head. A body in una head. Make una can't comprehend. A man in una head. A stress una stressor. And this is going to the audience them. We are full of people head with things. A man problem una have on head. Take it off and find Jesus. Take it off out of una head. Take out the crosses, trials and tribulation and give it to Jesus. And stop walk around and putting ideas in the bloggers them head. Cause most of them sick. See the evidence right here, sir. I did not give you any money to give Maxine. I gave the money, £100. £100 for Annmarie, which I earned her for myself on her live, that she received the money. Shut up, other people. I'm going to learn common sense. Shut up. What do I get put up on my damn nerve? Move yourself. See the text message here. Right here. See it right here, sir. We're coming this morning. Shut up and leave me alone. He came in at 1 p.m. today. Shut up. We're a bunch of non-emancipated Negroes. Shut up. I can't stand on you. Una looking for fault in Marcia. Una not find none. Una bunch of stupid people. Move. Una Pharisees and scribe. You look like Dick flipping on your head. Move from here, sir. But you don't want to come pin things for Marcia. Go away. You don't have nothing for me out here. More than me come out here, come defend myself. You know all Pharisees and scribe. Go away from here, sir. Me used to money. Me travel and used to money. I know life. You don't know life yet. Go away. See the evidence here. 100. I gave you 100 to give to Annmarie, which I heard she get it. Go away. And stop calling my name. I got nothing to do. Me and Uno on a size. Me better than Uno. My record is perfect out here, honey. Perfect. The only thing Uno ask for me is when you trouble me, I cuss up and go on. Oh, my life is perfect, honey. Me not have no war for my contract. For my life. Me not have no prostitution. Me not have no thief. My life out here is humanitarian, comedian, actress and singer, and dancer, and preacher. That is my resume out here. Where will I try to do? That is my resume out here. Actress, comedian, singer, dancer. Me tell us to stop watch them later. Stop watch them now. The business they want they can stop watch them. Me hand friend Maxine. Me not have time to listen to him. Me not have back on our table to listen to him. Me never listen to him in the first because nobody over there. I think them a call up me to get body, otherwise I'm going to party and pick people share. Get me a big star. And them a fear run back at me and call my name to get people. Me not have no business man for them page. Because I'm not to get. Me a big lawyer. You understand? Me a big deal about that. Them have to call my name to get people from them page. Me don't know them, so me not to mix it with the bungle. Them the people that me don't know. Me have my page. My page, not have nobody content from me. Anybody when me share from my page from Facebook, I saw a TikTok, jokify things, or if me see something motivating, me not share them. When you can't come from my page, go see no video with them, because they don't give nothing. The only thing you see from Marcia Campbell page is people who see I do something in a society. They post Neo Tonic, Neo Champion from Queens. One of my acquaintances. Neo is somebody who gives back to Jamaica. In doing something at Brooklyn, them and he's have a party coming up in I think in December or something. And him over there, they buy a raffle ticket in the charity of Jamaica. When him go to Jamaica Christmas time, I want truckload, him going in community or give away. One truckload full of groceries. And that is from a page, it's a Jimmy Starkey. I mean, Jimmy Starkey, my friend, from me around 20 years old. And I promote them people from a page. You know, see a blog up on my page. And once in a while, when doing, we go over doing back in the days, and doing, he said, Marcia, give me a share, I'm a share, something, I'm a share, and whatever. You know, see from my page, I'm a share some jokes over TikTok from my page. You know, share them talk about me. They don't have nothing to give. They don't have to go blog, me not to them. Lay off that, go over them, yeah, they do. They don't like negativity, me not to go over there and aggravate yourself. No, go over there. Me not pay Annmarie. Me sorry if you feel that way. And I saw it was me. Me no business you want to fuss me and bring up whole time word about this and that. I saw all I want to do now have no content. So me know you have to bring up Dana name. Me here say over there bring up Dana name and I saw me fuss Dana. Come on, Annmarie. Dana that's foreign now. Then the days they done. And gone. See the America, don't want to see America run. See from America, not see America hard. No more charity now run. See have to do a display and all kind of things. So make sure you live in peace and touch all of them. It's not relevant about your guys started around things that Marcia can do. I threw away the big things and stuff. Guys started on Marcia can do. Because they don't talk to nobody. Right, only me advice started around the place. I didn't know anybody to talk to. Because I'm